Hey friends, I'm going to share with you all the words to the Animal Home song. You ready? Sing along with me. On top of a mountain or under the sea, there are so many places where creatures may be. Alone in the desert, or grouped on a farm, or tucked in a tree trunk, away from all harm. On bright sunny grasslands, or in a dark cave, in jungles or forests, where one must be brave. On ice in the Arctic, or hold underground, there are so many places where creatures are found. That was great! Thank you for singing along with me, and I'll see you later for some more videos.